Every day is a new beginning. Smile, stay positive, and give your best. Miracles happen every day.
You can't be the most talented in the room, but you can be the competitive. Tough, the annual event of PCTE, where all the school students gather together and compete in a different competitions. There is so much hustle going on.
There are different competitions going on in the campus. Let's have a look.
Dumb Charades. I loved to play this game when I was in school. It was so easy and fun.
So let's move to our correspondent Riya Beja for further updates.
We're standing outside engineering blocks seminar hall at PCT and Dumb Charades is going on and I can hear the laughs from outside. So let's check out what's going on inside.
Game related to movie. The first thing which strike in the mind is Dumb Charades. There was one of the event in turf which was Dumb Charades. And the best round of it was Dum Dum Round. It was so much fun and enjoyment as it was the favorite game of every student.
So hello, what are your names?
My name is Lisa. Amantra Baluni.
Which school are you guys from?
BVM Senior Secondary School, Udham Singh Nagar.
So are you guys excited or nervous?
Nervous.
Definitely I am excited for it.
So how are you prepared for the events?
Yeah, very well.
I love to bake in my free time.
And I love to eat in my free time.
Vishwas, food is an art and not everyone is perfect in it. So here we have some of the students showcasing their talent in Oven Love. Oh my god, this fragrance. I love baking, and when it comes to baking, the first thing which flashed in my mind is cakes. So here I am standing outside the HM kitchen. Here are 11 schools who are participating. Let's get inside and have a look. Cake is a tradition of celebrating the happiness these days. Sweet souls can pour the sweetness in every kind of baking. Everyone was looking to win the competition. They were baking different types of cakes like cream cake, mixed fruit cake, fondant cakes. Even I come to know about some basics of baking. Hey, what's your name?
My name is Lavanya.
And from which school?
Plan International.
Great. So you are here in doing everything in professional setup. How are you feeling?
It was really very good to make cake in professional bakery for
Okay.
me for first time.
So what are you preparing today?
We are making cake,
Which flavor?
mixed fruit cake with
Great.
blueberry and berry flavor.
So are you nervous, excited?
Very much excited for that.
Great. All the best.
Thank you.
Picto is another event going in the turf.
Every picture depicts something.
Here we have Rivanshi for the further information.
We are standing in engineering block of campus 2 PCTE and the event Picto is going inside. So let's have a look.
Picto sounds different. Yes, it is a game which is being played with the help of different geometrical shapes. The judges were really happy after seeing the performance of young minds. It was quite difficult for them to choose between them.
So let's talk with some participants who have participated in the event. So please tell your name.
My name is Nana Tan
And my name is Pahul Seri.
From which school are you?
from Drishti Dr. Arsi Jain.
So how you are feeling of being a part of this event?
I am feeling very nervous and excited also.
Like the campus is really great, the infrastructure, the teachers, the staff, they are really kind, and obviously there are a lot of different events and a bit nervousness because it's the first time they are participating in such kind.
Oh, stop this, Priyanka. You are so bad. To know what the real music is, let's go to our next correspondent, Komal.
Where there is music, there can be love. So today we are standing in the hall of PCT campus. The event that is going on is Solo Song Competition. Here are the 15 schools who are participated in this event, and I can see the enthusiastic vibes over here. So let's go and have a look at some inside.
Music is the universal language which can heal the pain. So here was the event Solo Song Competition. All the participants put their soul into their words while singing, and even judges were astonished by their voice.
So which school you represent today? So
what was your expectations from your students as you participated in solo song competition? So how you prepare your students for this event?
We expect for surprise. Outside expect us, but we giving winning performance all the time. All students giving.
I also hear her voice and she's giving her. So what is your name? I'm Gaurashi. Okay, so what was your experience in this college?
I really had fun performing. I really solo songs. I participated. I just had my performance.
Yeah.
It was great. Everybody was singing so well.
So thank you and all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alone we can do very little, but together we can do a lot.
Let's move to our correspondent Gitanjali to know further about the event.
Good morning everyone. Right now we are standing in the management block where group discussion is going on. Let's see what the students are up to. Good morning.
Good morning.
Will you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Dikshit from BCM Shastri Nagar. I'm here for group discussion. This is my first time.
So I want to ask you one question, which is that what all are your strategies for winning the competition?
Okay, so once the teams were selected, we just took one topic for each day and practiced. And as I told, this is my first time, so I'm pretty nervous. And yes, we'll see what happens. The experience is quite good here, and yes, the decoration is quite wonderful.
Thank you.
The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. The quiz is a form of a game where we have to answer the question correctly.
So let's move to our correspondent Riya Raj for further information.
Hello everyone, we are in Pharmacy Block Seminar Hall and the first round of quiz is going on. Let's see the excitement of the students. Please introduce yourself.
This is Mehak Purewal from class 9 from BCMRA Model Senior Secondary School, Shastri Nagar, Ludhiana.
Okay, how was your experience?
If we talk about the difficulty level, it was not too easy, not too tough, a medium level. And secondly, we learned many things through this quiz. It was a first experience to a college. So, and I like this college, this PCT college, its campuses and all.
Thank you.
Priyanka, after spending so many days in college, I just realized that school days were the best days in life.
I don't agree to you. I think college is
Okay,
best.
stop Priyanka. This is not how debates are done.
Then how it is done?
Let's talk to our correspondent Akashdeep for the further event.
We are standing outside the seminar hall. Debate competition is going on inside. There are 7 schools participating in. Let's have a look inside.
Debates are the best events to showcase or sharpen an individual's knowledge and skills. So here were some of the school students who participated in this event. It was such a competitive spirit in every individual, and with this they come to know about so many things, and it was an informative session too.
What is your name and your school name?
My name is Sukmanjot Singh and I am from GC Secretary.
Okay, so what is your preparations for the debate competition?
I have been preparing for many days and I think I am well prepared.
Okay. Now you are excited or nervous?
I am excited for the competition.
Thank you.
Vishwas, can you speak continuously for 1 minute?
Yes, Priyanka.
Then this event is made for you.
Which event?
Jam, just a minute.
What it is?
Let's move to our correspondent Akshita for further information.
Every experience makes you grow. So here we are in PCT Campus 2. Jam session is going on. Jam is all about just a minute, where students showcase their ability to communicate. So 10 schools are participating and jam session is going on inside. Let's see what's happening inside.
Jam, just a minute, is a great platform for the talkative students because Jam is all about speaking for 1 minute on some interesting topics. So you should be a good speaker who can handle the pressure of ticking clock.
Hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Sanya Pandari.
What is your school name?
Kundan Vidya Mandir, Civil Lines in Thane.
So why did you choose this competition to be a part of?
Just a Minute is a competition which I haven't heard of, and PCT is a platform which has given me this opportunity to get into Just a Minute. I have been a debater, I have been a speaker, and I have been developing my communication skills for a while now. I have been prize winners also, but the platform which PCT has provided me is commendable.
Most awaited event was Mr. and Miss Tough.
So let's move to Palak for further updates.
Like to watch Ramco? Of course, everybody does. So in PCT group of institutes, the student Mr. was going on. Let's have a look into it.
Beauty is not only about physical appearance, but also the intelligence and skills. So here was the event Mr. and Miss Turf, which every participant was excited about. and all of them were looking adorable in their own way.
What's your name?
Maxim Malhotra.
What's your school name?
I'm representing Golden Vidya Mandal.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good, as it was my first time I was modeling there, and it is very good. And PCT college is also very good.
This was such an amazing day, isn't it, Vishwas?
Yes, Priyanka.
So with this, I, Priyanka,
And I, Vishwas.
are signing off with the camera person Arsh Batish, PGMC second year.